Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change font size in Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display. Then go to font size and style. Here, this is font size. By default, font size is fixed in the third point. If you want to increase font size, move this pointer to the right side. Rightmost will be the very big size. This is very big size. Okay, see the changes. Font size has been increased now. To decrease font size, again go to the settings and display, then go to font size and here select font size and move the pointer to the left side. To decrease font size, move the pointer to the left side. This is default size and two more mini size is available. This is very small size. See the changes. Font size has been reduced to very small size. If you want to set in default size, you go to keep the pointer in the third point. Again go to the settings and then display, then go to font size and style and here select the default pointer, third point. Okay, now font size has been restored to default. So in this way you can easily change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.